Isa sa pinaka-common na natatanggap namin na tanong regarding braces is, Doc, pwede bang i-delay muna ang adjustment ko? And ang sagot namin dyan ay, ideally hindi, but we do understand na sometimes life happens and meron tayong mga other stuff happening in our lives na nami-miss. And we understand that. It's okay. But hopefully, as much as possible, we should attend regularly. Kasi ang braces po ay partnership. Bawat adjustment, maingat na nakaplan para tuloy-tuloy at ligtas ang paggalaw ng ngipin. And kasi kapag madalas nadidelay ang appointments, humahaba rin ang treatment time. At minsan, kailangan pang baguhin o ulitin ang treatment plan. Kaysa sa Prima Smile, nire-reserve na po namin. So after po ng inyong current na adjustment, nire-reserve na po namin agad ang for next month's adjustment. Hindi ito para pahirapan kayo. At ginagawa natin to para siguraduhin ma-remind namin kayo at masiguradong tuloy-tuloy po ang ating treatment. Kung sakali man ay hindi pa sila sure o kaya may chance pa talaga na magbabago for next month yung day na available sila, walang problema po, no worries. You can simply message us after na, Doc or Ma'am or Sir, babaguhin ko po yung schedule. So, ang importante lang doon, as early as possible, ma-set natin po ang oras. Okay? So, again, tandaan po, ang braces is a partnership. We will take care of your teeth if you also help us take care of your teeth. And the way we can do that is you coming regularly for your monthly adjustments. Okay, tandaan, mas consistent na appointments, mas predictable ang resulta, at mas mabilis ninyong makakamit ang inyong dream smile. So, see you sa next adjustment.